Most creators are focused on producing videos, but not on producing income. They invest hours into research, scripting, and editing, yet when the video goes live, it doesn't lead anywhere. No offer, no structure, no monetization. What if every video started with a purpose, where the product, the script, and the monetization plan were all set before you even begin creating? Today, I'll show you how to turn NotebookLM into a complete money-making AI system, configured in a way most people haven't even considered. It finds your affiliate product, researches your topic, writes your script, and hands you a full production pipeline. And at the end, you'll see the actual video this system builds from scratch. Before we dive in, I want to show you something. This is the comment section from my last NotebookLM video. Scroll through it with me. Look at the volume here. Comment after comment asking the same thing. Go deeper into NotebookLM. Show us how to build real content systems with it. That level of demand is exactly why this video exists. This series is clearly what you want to see, and I'm going to keep delivering on it. Let's get into it. Step 1. Finding the right product to promote. And here's what makes this different from anything you've probably tried before. What comes out of this step isn't a generic list that looks the same for everyone. This method surfaces products based on your specific interests. The output is unique to you, not a recycled roundup, not the same 5 products in every affiliate guide. Your niche, your personality, your content focus. That shapes what comes back. Open NotebookLM. Create a new project. Now open Google in a new tab. Search Best Affiliate Products 2026. What comes back is a mix of industry roundups, niche breakdowns, and commission comparisons. Compiled research on what's converting right now. Copy the URL of the top result. Go back to NotebookLM, paste it in. Back to Google. Next link. Copy. Paste. Work through about 10 sources the same way. You don't need to read any of them. NotebookLM processes everything for you. Once all 10 are loaded, hit Next. Your knowledge base is active. Now click the settings icon, select Custom. Paste in the Affiliate Product Finder role prompt, which you can on your screen now. I am also putting it to the description below. This turns the notebook into a specialist analyst. It reads every loaded source through the lens of commission potential, content fit, and audience alignment, but filtered around your declared interests. Go to chat. Type something like, "I'm interested in sports, business, and psychology. Give me 5 affiliate product options that match these interests." Because you told it your interests, what comes back is filtered specifically for you, not the same 5 everyone else sees. Each option has real context behind it, why it fits your audience, what content works around it, and what earning range is realistic. Read through them. Pick the one that genuinely connects with what you'd enjoy making content about. Since I enjoy teaching, I've chosen Coursera. The high commission is a great bonus too. In just a few minutes, we picked a product that aligns with both my personal interests and current market demand. Step 2. Finding a topic people are actively searching for, built around the product you just chose. Open a new NotebookLM project. Go to YouTube, search for the product name. In our example, Coursera. Before you look at results, apply 2 filters. First, sort by popularity. Then filter upload date to this month only. You're now looking at the most watched content about your product in the last month. That's a real demand signal. These videos exist because audiences actively and currently sought them out. You want to understand that demand before you decide what to create. Copy the first URL and paste it into NotebookLM. Then copy the second and paste that as well. Repeat this process for around 10 URLs. Even if a video has a host, include it. Most of the content is still faceless. Once everything is loaded, click Next. Again, go to Settings and select Custom. Paste the topic selector role prompt, which you can see on screen now. This role tells NotebookLM to study the source videos analytically, what they cover, what they skip, and where a new video could carve out its own space. Not copying what's already there, finding the gap. I am going to chat and asking 5 original topic ideas to promote Coursera. Each suggestion arrives with the viewer promise behind it. why the angle has potential, and a direction for the opening hook. Read through them. One will click. For example, I'm choosing the fourth idea because I found it interesting. Can you really get a real university degree on Coursera? Now I have a topic with strong demand potential that's directly aligned with my product. Step 3. Writing the script. Go back to your topic selector notebook from Step 2. Those 10 video sources are still loaded there. We just need to change the role. Go Settings, then click to Custom. Clear the topic selector prompt. Paste in the scriptwriter role, which you can see on your screen now. It tells NotebookLM to study the source videos for structure, how they open, how they build tension, how they hold someone's attention through a full video, and then it writes your script in that style. For your topic, with your product woven in naturally. In chat, I am typing simply this. Write a 1,000-word YouTube script about, can you really get a real university degree on Coursera? Include soft and natural product mentions for Coursera. Not ads, just honest recommendations placed at the moments where they fit the content. Let me read you the opening lines of the hook it produced. Millions of people right now are going into massive debt just chasing a diploma. A traditional university education at a top-tier school can easily cost over $261,000 when you go there in person. But what if I told you that the game has completely changed? That is not generic AI output. That's a hook shaped by real source material, written by a role that studied how the best videos in this niche actually open. You can't get that from a blank ChatGPT prompt. Not without the sources. Not without the role. Now let me scroll to one of the product mentions. Let me read one aloud. If you are on the fence about going back to school, I highly recommend checking out Coursera's Master Track options first. It is a smart way to test graduate-level education before fully committing your time and finances. That's not an interruption. It doesn't feel pasted in. It earns its place, arrives at the right moment, and sounds like a real recommendation. Getting that balance right takes experienced writers real time. Here it arrived in the first pass. Step 4. The visual layer. Open ChatGPT and use the visual master prompt you see on screen. It's also in the description. As you'll notice, the prompt includes a visual types section. You can adjust this based on your needs. Paste the master prompt into ChatGPT, then copy and paste your completed script into it. Finally, click Generate. What comes back is a visual planner, a line-by-line breakdown of your entire video. For every sentence, it assigns a visual type: stock image, stock video, AI image, or AI video. And for every single scene, it generates either a search keyword or a generation prompt automatically. Your complete visual roadmap in one output. No guessing. No creative decisions on the fly. Let me show you example creations for each category. For the first scene, it's a stock video. I take the keyword, open Pexels, search for it, and choose one of the first suitable results to download. Alternatively, instead of a stock video, you can use a stock photo and animate it during editing. For example, in the third scene, I copy the keyword, switch Pexels from video to photo search, download a strong image, which I will animate later while editing. For AI video, I take the prompt from the planner, paste it into Flow, and generate. You can use any generator. Let's see the result. This is what gives a faceless channel a premium visual feel. For AI images, I copy the generation prompt, open Flow, paste it in, and generate a custom visual. As you can see, we've created a highly unique scene that seamlessly incorporates our affiliate product, Coursera, with its branding clearly integrated. Overall, creating 4 scenes takes about a minute, meaning the full visual production for 62 scenes for this script would take only around 15 minutes. Step 5. Voiceover. Open Google AI Studio. Pick a voice that fits the tone of your content, something measured and clear for productivity or business, warmer and more conversational for lifestyle or wellness topics. Test a few options. It genuinely changes how the whole video feels to watch. One technique that matters here. Don't paste the full script in as one block. Generate in chunks so the pacing holds all the way through. Let me generate the hook now. I copy the hook section from the script, paste it here, hit run. Let's listen how it sounds.
Millions of people right now are going into massive debt just chasing a diploma. A traditional university education at a top-tier school can easily cost over $261,000 when you go there in person.
Clean delivery, natural phrasing. Work through the rest the same way. Last step, assembly. Open CapCut. Lay the audio down first. Lock it. Drop each visual on the timeline exactly where it was assigned. With your visual planner, you already know what goes where. You're executing a plan, not improvising. Adjust scene speeds and lengths according to voiceover. For the stock photo example, as you can see, I'm applying a slow zoom-in effect to bring the image to life and add subtle motion. Under everything, add a background music track. Volume low, around 15%. The music is texture. Your voiceover is the dominant sound in the mix. Now let me play a short clip from the final result.
Millions of people right now are going into massive debt just chasing a diploma. A traditional university education at a top-tier school can easily cost over $261,000 when you go there in person. But what if I told you that the game has completely changed? What if you could get the exact same accredited degree from a world-renowned university without stepping foot on a campus?
One last thing. This is an AI system, but it runs on your judgment and direction. The AI handles the execution, but your input shapes the outcome. That combination is what makes it powerful. So anyone using this system will end up with a unique, fully customized result. If you want this series to continue, just type "continue" in the comments. And if there's a specific niche you'd like me to cover next, drop it below. I read every single one.